George Soros, what have you done to Tesla? Huge information has just came out about Tesla, and it's very exciting news for Tesla holders. This video has been packed with up-to-date news and price-boosting information, so make sure you watch the entire video to not miss anything out. Welcome to Tesla Zone, the #1 Tesla news channel. If you are interested in everything around Tesla, this is the place for you if you haven't already smashed the subscribe button to stay updated with all the Tesla news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the Tesla world. Make sure to hit the like button and turn on post notification as well for us to provide you with more Tesla news. Before we get to our first topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Tesla is doing on the 19th of August. Shall we quickly? If you want to enter our daily giveaway of $15 of Tesla stock, then all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, like this video, and comment #TSLA is king. Good luck. Tesla's price today is $884 with a daily trading volume of 30 million Tesla stocks. Tesla's price is down 2.5% in the last 24 hours and is down 2.25% in the past 5 days. Okay, now let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the video. Tesla confirms plan to launch electricity retail business in Texas. Tesla has confirmed its plan to launch a new electricity retail business in Texas through a new job posting for a role overseeing the new business unit. Last year, Tesla created a new business unit called Tesla Energy Ventures and applied with the Public Utility Commission of Texas to sell electricity on the retail market. The plans haven't been clear, but Tesla has since launched a virtual power plant demonstration with Powerwall owners in Texas, and the goal is to demonstrate the value to ERCOT, Texas's electric utility regulating body, to operate a virtual power plant in the state as it does in California. Tesla could be looking to get deeper into the Texas energy market and become a dual electricity retailer, which is what the company now confirms through a new job posting found by Electrek. The automaker is looking for a product operations manager, retail electricity, based in Austin. In the description, Tesla said that the role will oversee the launch and growth of a new electricity retailer in the Texas market. This product operations manager will be central to the success of Tesla's emerging electricity retail business. This person will support the launch and growth of a new electricity retailer in the Texas market. This person will be responsible for managing retail electricity products, administering the customer portfolio, coordinating customer support, and tracking financial performance. The company added that it would prefer someone with experience in residential electricity retail, preferably with a retail electricity provider in ERCOT. Tesla has been expanding its solar and storage business rapidly in Texas. The automaker is currently building what will likely become the largest rooftop solar installation in the world at Gigafactory, Texas, and it is also planning a large battery system with a planned output of 250 MW. The move into electricity retail in Texas appears to be part of Musk's vision for Tesla Energy to become a distributed global utility. The CEO also said that he believes Tesla's energy business could outgrow its automotive business. If you're still watching the video, you could help out the channel by giving this video a like, subscribe, and remember to stay tuned to not miss out on anything. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the rest of the video. George Soros, what have you done to Tesla? According to a Friday filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, George Soros increased his investments in several tech stocks. The Soros Fund Management opened a new position in Tesla with a total of 29,900 shares worth over $20 million. The management fund also added investments in Ford, Uber, and Twitter while adding to existing stakes in Lucid and NIO. Earlier this year, Soros sold his 1.26 million shares in General Motors. His decision to buy a new $20 million stake in Tesla's stock comes just after Tesla's shareholders voted in favor of a 3:1 stock split, which will take place on August 25th. Along with Tesla, the fund sold Cutback and also invested in various electric vehicle stocks this year. He held 8 million shares of Protra in Q1 2022, but currently holds 2.82 million. In Q1, he liquidated his shares in Fisker and Li-Cycle, which is a lithium-ion recycling company. Reminder, we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. See you next time at the #1 crypto news channel, Tesla Zone. Bye.